this time in traps and snares. The snake trigger and his mechanics. Remark: the greater the weight to be supported by the tension cord, the longer the clamping arm should be. Well, this has to do with the principle of the lever. Surely you have heard about in school. Can you remember? Keep in mind, attach the tripwire only when everything else is finished. Thus an inadvertent, premature triggering of the trap is prevented. Let's look at the trigger activation to see what happens. Let's move on to a practical example in the form of a bird trap where the trigger is used. As soon as a bird hops onto the bar, the basket drops down. Well, that's all. Go out now and give it a try.